Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add LinkedIn leads to Mailchimp automatically. So if you're a business owner and you're promoting your business using LinkedIn lead ads and you want that every time a new lead is generated through LinkedIn lead ads, you want to add that lead into your Mailchimp account as subscriber, and doing this task manually is a very time consuming for you, then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I will teach you how you can build a connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect, so that now whenever using LinkedIn lead ads, a new lead is generated, automatically that lead is going to be created as subscriber in my Mailchimp account. So if you want to learn this entire setup step by step, for that I will take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. I will generate a new test lead with the help of LinkedIn lead ads and check whether automatically that lead has been created as a contact in my Mailchimp account as subscriber or not. Okay, now for generating the test lead, this is my LinkedIn ad. Now to generate the lead, I will click on this apply now button, and as I've done that, it is asking for email and phone number. You will see that some details are pre-filled, like the name is Pabbly, last name is subscription billing management service, and the company name is Magnet Brains. These are pre-filled data because I'm not running a live campaign with LinkedIn lead ads. It's not a paid campaign, that is why these things are pre-filled. But if you're running a LinkedIn lead ads campaign, these data can be filled by your leads as well. Okay, so now let us fill the email address first, for which I will write it as demo pabbly at 67@pabblytudes.com. Okay, now next it is asking for the phone number, for which I will enter a dummy mobile number. After that, I'm going to click on this submit button, and as soon as I've done that, it says information sent to Pabbly. As now the LinkedIn lead has been generated, let me go back to my Mailchimp account and refresh the contacts page from here. As I refresh the page, you can see right over here a new subscriber has been added, a new contact has been added into my Mailchimp account. What's the name? It's Pabbly subscription billing management service. That was the pre-filled data. Email address is demo, you can see right over here, @pabblytudes.com, with the same phone number. As you can see, this contact has been added as soon as a new lead was generated. This is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. And without wasting any more of our time, what I will do is simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear, where you will find two options in front of you. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. And if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly Connect, check out the code on the screen, and you can use this code to get instant discounts, and you will get discounts on your yearly and the lifetime deals with Pabbly, which will help you to get unlimited tasks, and your business is going to be automated without even need of any coding and programming skills. Okay, I'm already a user, so I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account from here. Now all Pabbly app section is going to appear. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this access now button, and as soon as I've done that, Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation, click on this create workflow button. I want my workflow to be created with new beta method version. I will select this version, and for the name of my workflow, I will give it as add LinkedIn leads to Mailchimp automatically folder. These are the folders from which I'll select workflows folder and click on this create button, and the workflow is going to be created, where there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action inside a workflow. And right now I will set up my trigger, in which my trigger application I will select over here as LinkedIn, and my event is going to be lead notification. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through LinkedIn lead ads, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with LinkedIn, but before that, log into your LinkedIn account on a new tab. Okay, click on this button, and as soon as I've done that, the connection is successfully created. Refresh the field. If you find the field empty like this, refresh it like this, and then we have to select the sponsored account, with the help of which we are promoting our ads. My sponsored account is what? It's Pabbly ad account. So I will select this account from the drop down and simply click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether LinkedIn lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will again generate a test lead and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the test lead been generated or not. Okay, Now to generate the test lead, this is the test ad right here. I'm going to click on this apply now button. These are the pre-filled data, name Pabbly, last name subscription billing management service, company name Magnet Brains. For the email address, let's suppose I'll write it as dummylead345@pabblytunes.com. Next, it is asking for the phone number, for which I will enter a dummy mobile number and click on this submit button. And as soon as I've done that, you will see the lead has been generated. Let me go back to my workflow. It will take few seconds for the lead to come from LinkedIn lead ads to Pabbly Connect. So you have to wait over here for a few seconds for the response to arrive. And you will see I've received the response. Email address is dummylead345@pabblytunes.com. This is the phone number. First name Pabbly, last name subscription billing management service, and the company name is Magnet Brains. As now this response has been captured, LinkedIn lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. As now this trigger setup is done, now let us add this lead where? Into our Mailchimp account as a contact. For that, simply add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as what? Mailchimp. And the event is going to be add member with custom fields. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, we have to provide the token and the data center. To have the token, simply log into your Mailchimp account, go to this profile section, click on the profile option, go to extras and API keys section. Then after coming to the API keys page, you have to scroll down and simply click on this create a key button. Okay. Firstly, you have to name our key. For the name of the key, let's suppose I'll write it as LinkedIn leads. Okay, and then click on this generate key button. This is the key. Copy this key from here, paste over here in this token field. Okay, this is the token. Next, you have to provide what? The data center. To have the data center, log into your Mailchimp account again. Over here in the URL, the data center will be next to https and .admin. So simply copy this data center from here and paste it over here in the field and click on this save button. As soon as you will do that, Mailchimp is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's create the new member, that will be the contact. Okay, we have to select the list in which you want to create this Mailchimp member. So I've selected this list from here. You can select your own list according to your requirement. Next, it is asking for the email address. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field, previous step is going to appear, click on it. In this response, I have received the email address of my LinkedIn lead, and as I want to create this lead as a contact in my Mailchimp account, I will select the data of the email address from my previous response. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been what? Mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become what? Dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of the mapped data. For the tag, I will write the tag over here as what? LinkedIn. Okay, so this is a tag I want to give towards this contact. Status is going to be subscribed. If you want to add the interest group, you can definitely do that. For the company, I will map the data of this company that I have received. Designation, there is no designation, so I will skip the part. First name, I will map the data of the first name. No gender. Next, last name, I will map the data of the last name. Then it is asking for the phone number, for which I will map the data of the phone number and the mobile number right here. Okay. Next, it is asking for sign up, which I do not have, so I will skip the part and simply click on this save and send test request button. And as I've done that, I've received this response, which is a positive response. So let me open my Mailchimp account and refresh the contacts page from here. As soon as I will refresh the page, you will see a new contact has been created inside my Mailchimp account. Okay, so this is the contact. Okay, you will see right over here the name is Pabbly subscription billing management service. You can see first name and the last name, email address, phone number, and the company is Magnet Brains. So as now this LinkedIn lead has been created as a contact in my Mailchimp account. This is how you create the connection between LinkedIn and Mailchimp, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to use this workflow link, this workflow template that I've created, you can find the link of this workflow in the description section. Go ahead and use it. If you have questions or doubts related to the workflow that I've created, comment down below and we'll revert back to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.